Genital herpes is caused by the herpes simplex virus, HSV, and it can cause painful sores or blisters in the genital area. Although there is no permanent cure for it, there are some helpful ways to manage the symptoms and feel better. Let's go through some easy steps you can follow to treat genital herpes. First, keep the area clean. One of the most important things you can do is keep the area clean. Washing the affected area gently with plain water or salt water helps prevent infections and reduces irritation. This simple step helps get rid of any bacteria and keeps the sores from getting worse. Second, use petroleum jelly or pain-killing cream. You can use petroleum jelly, like Vaseline, on the sores. It helps keep the skin moist and prevents the sores from drying out and cracking, which can be painful. If you're feeling a lot of pain, you can also try a pain-relieving cream that has lidocaine. It helps numb the area and makes things more comfortable, especially when you have to pee. Third, epi while pouring water. Urinating can be painful when you have genital herpes, but there's a way to make it easier. Try pouring water over your genitals while you pee. The water helps dilute the urine, so it's less painful as it passes over the sores. This simple trick can really make a difference. Fourth, use honey. Honey is not just for sweetening food, it's also great for healing. Honey has antiviral properties that can help the sores heal faster. Apply a small amount of honey to the sores. It helps reduce inflammation and can speed up the healing process. Just be careful to use a clean finger or cotton swab to apply it. Fifth, take zinc supplements. Zinc is a mineral that has antiviral properties, which means it can help fight off the herpes virus. Taking zinc supplements can help support your immune system and reduce the severity of outbreaks. Zinc can also help stop the virus from spreading, which makes it an important part of treating genital herpes. Sixth, use garlic. Garlic is another natural remedy that can help with genital herpes. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has strong antiviral effects. You can eat garlic or even apply it to the sores. It helps reduce the symptoms and can help heal the sores faster. By following these steps, you can manage the symptoms of genital herpes. Just remember, it's always important to talk to a doctor about the best treatment for your situation.